Yellow MRT Line. สวัสดีครับ Good morning. I'm here on the Khlong Saeb Canal in Bangkok. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning on Sunday morning. I'm doing my early morning bike ride after a great night out. Last night we had a meeting, me and Retired Working for You, a meeting with followers who wanted to come and join us, and it worked out really great. I mean, we had a great evening. I might have had a few drinks too many, so I decided to do an early bike ride, get my lazy sweat out. I think this one had a drink as well, and yeah, so I'm on my way to the Bangkapi Mall, and I want to give an update regarding the Yellow MRT Line. สวัสดีครับ I understand the Yellow MRT Line is supposed to open by the beginning of next year. Originally it was supposed to open last year already, but obviously the pandemic changed a lot of plans all over the world, and as well here with the MRT lines. So let's go to the mall. It's always good to see people doing the maintenance of the canal. Cap? Yeah, it's just very important for the maintenance of the canal to have these kind of cleaning crews. Sorry, Cap. Hello. The whole ride along this canal from my home until here is about 15 kilometers, and I can recommend anybody who has a bike in Bangkok to come and ride along the canal here, because it's just nice and peaceful. It's very, very different from the inner city, obviously, where you have a lot of traffic. And I will put a link in the description to a Google map, so that you can see where this canal is located. Sawadee krab. Good morning. Sorry, morning. I'm in your way.
It's okay.
Thank you. You too. I would like to thank everybody who joined us last night at the meetup together with Chris from Retired Working for You. It was a great evening. I realized that I might not have spoken to everybody, so if I missed you, I'm sorry for that. And if you ever see me on the street, then just say hi. It was a great evening. It was amazing to see the feedback. I'm filming here in Bangkok, and a lot of times I have no idea how many people are actually watching it. I can see the numbers, but I don't see the people. So that was a really, really great evening, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to see you guys all in the next one. You see, umbrellas are not only for the rain, they can also protect you from the sun. Here in the mall, I noticed that still everybody is wearing a mask, even though it's not necessary. So I'm having my mask on again. I like it. I see the comments about the masks, and I always see the people saying that everybody who's wearing masks, they are sheeple. And yeah, for me it's about being social or anti-social. So let's say you have the meeple that are anti-social and the sheeple that are social. My experience in life is that it's better to be social. You enjoy life more. So I would say give it a try, man, whoever you are. This is the construction situation here at the Bangkapi Mall, and you see all these metal beams here, and it looks like there's gonna be an overpass for cars. There used to be a big overpass here before they started constructing, and I guess it's gonna benefit the traffic situation a lot. There in the back you see the train station. You can see a part of the old overpass, and it used to run over here in that direction, and yeah, the steel beams definitely are going to be an extension of the road. Here the Yellow MRT line makes a bend and then goes in the direction of the Seacon Square. About 91% of the construction is ready, and they are already testing the trains. But it seems that there's still quite a bit of construction left. So there in the back you see a station which connects with the orange MRT line, which is on the ground there. So I'm not sure if this is going to be ready by the beginning of next year. But when it's ready, it's going to be 30.4 kilometers, which is about 18.9 miles. And the yellow line will have 23 stations. And it's a monorail, where the MRT lines that we have now, they're all trains. And this is going to be a Bombardier Innova monorail 300. Wherever you have these public transport constructions, you also find constructions of buildings. And this is a condominium building that's being constructed here. And probably in the future you can live here for not too expensive. This is on Lat Phrao. It's a bit on the outskirts of the city, but the new MRT line is going to open it up. This is the station for the Big C Lat Phrao, or Imperial World. And the Big C here, this Imperial World Mall, we had to go here a couple of times for our visas. There was a period that you could do a 90-day report here. And this is in the middle of Lat Phrao. And yeah, I mean, with this station, it's going to be very easy accessible. In the future, you can take the blue MRT to the Lat Phrao station, and there you can switch over to the yellow line. I do not particularly enjoy riding along Lat Phrao. It's just too busy. But yeah, I want to give an update on that, so here we go. Yeah, so my conclusion would be the line here is far from ready. And my not so professional opinion would be I don't think this is going to be ready by the beginning of next year. But let's see. I hope I'm mistaken. The line continues here in the direction of the blue MRT line, where it connects with the blue Lat Phrao station. And I'm turning left here. There's a very nice bicycle path that I'm gonna use to ride home, and it's starting right here. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding my ride on Sunday morning towards the Bangkapi Mall, and a bit of an update regarding the Yellow MRT line. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.